Glasino company, spanning 33 acres and staffed by over 110 professionals. The facility brings together talent across diverse fields, including R&D and design, manufacturing, marketing and sales, and technical after-sales support. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the manufacturing of glass temperature furnaces and deep processing equipment for flat and curved glass. Our team is built on the talent ladder. Skilled technicians, electrical engineers, mechanical designers, sales experts, and after-sales specialists. Every link of the chain is forged with expertise and craftsmanship. In 2019, Glasino successfully developed the full-grid passage tempering furnace, setting a new standard in the industry. In 2020, we went further, launching the world's widest tempering furnace ever manufactured, spanning 4,500 mm by 9,000 mm, a world record, a testament to the power of Chinese manufacturing. Glasino Machinery specializes in R&D and manufacturing of glass deep processing equipment, covering forced convection type flat glass tempering furnace and flat bend glass tempering furnace, high borosilicate high-end fireproof glass tempering furnace, high-stress fireproof glass tempering furnace, double curvature glass tempering furnace, continuous glass tempering furnace, heat soak furnace. From architectural glass to automotive glass, from household glass to specialized protective glass, Glasino's equipment serves every field where safety glass is essential. Glasino machinery products have earned the EU CE certification, meeting the highest international quality standards. We live by our core values: pursuit of excellence, technological innovation, honest integrity, and mutually beneficial cooperation. Quality is our foundation, innovation is our engine, service is our promise. Today, Glasino's equipment serves clients across the globe. We believe every breakthrough in technology is a commitment to human safety. Every furnace that leaves our factory carries the legacy of craftsmanship. Glasino Company, tempering the world, manufacturing the future.